Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to full screen on your Google Meet. If you're joining in a meeting on Google Meet and you'd like to view the full screen mode of the meeting, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up a web browser, go to Meetup. Google.com and press enter. Make sure to log into your Google Meet account. And now let me go ahead and start a new meeting. In order to show to you, you can also start a new meeting and follow the steps. So now to connect it to a meeting. As soon as you join in, you'll be able to see this kind of a screen. Your camera will be visible and you'll be able to see yourself right in front of your screen. Now if you'd like to maximize the size of your screen and make it to full screen, then click on the three dots at the bottom of the screen, which will bring up an expanded menu. Click on full screen in order to view the full screen mode for your meeting on Google Meet. That is how you'll be able to view your Google Meeting screen on the full screen using your next tab. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us, as soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Again, thank you for watching.